Kang Dedi Mulyadi, a noble heart, full of inspiration and always spreading happiness. His attitude is so friendly, make anyone admire him. Kang Dedi Mulyadi, we express our deepest gratitude. You help them in this case, helping those who are innocent. Your kindness will never be replaced. Your kindness will never be replaced. Kang Dedi Mulyadi, your heart is so sincere, your humanity is so high. You spread love to everyone, you are so extraordinary. You are so extraordinary.